Monetization, the use cases, is going to be software. And I think Palantir has been a great example of it. I think Oracle, obviously, that was a huge prove me moment that we saw, from them. I think you'll see it from Salesforce, ServiceNow, cybersecurity. Look, if there was a moment that you started to actually see enterprises go with true LLMs, that would be what I think that continues to be a fictional narrative. And we've talked about it. I think the Anthropic issue, it's a ghost trade. And I think that's why there's a bottoming of the software sector. This continues to be, I think, a very white knuckle period for software companies, because I think it's really an AI ghost trade. It's the view that these LLMs or anything that comes out is going to be the demise of software. I continue to view it as the most disconnected trade that I've seen in my career. I think it's just way oversold, and I think this is going to continue to be a generational buying opportunity for the winner.
The markets are exploding with hidden gems right now. While Wall Street panics over volatility, geopolitical oil spikes, and endless headlines, savvy investors are quietly loading up on the next wave of breakout winners in cutting-edge tech, robotics, drones, and connectivity. What if I told you 3 under-the-radar stocks are positioned to surge as innovation accelerates in 5G, AI batteries, industrial automation, and domestic drone tech? These aren't mega caps. They're high-conviction plays with fresh momentum, explosive recent financials, and massive tailwinds from AI, electrification, and U.S. security priorities. The urgency is real. Fear is peaking, but these stocks are showing resilience and beating expectations. This could be the final window before the next leg up ignites. Don't miss the boat. History rewards those who buy disruption when others hesitate. Buckle up. This is a setup for serious gains in a rebounding market. Here are the 3 stocks to buy right now, each with a deep dive. First, an introduction to the company and its edge. Latest news and updates as of mid-March 2026. Key Q4 FY25 financial results. And finally, analyst ratings plus current buying positioning amid the momentum. Stock 1, Inseego. Inseego is a pioneering force in wireless connectivity, specializing in 5G mobile broadband routers, fixed wireless access FWA solutions, and IoT devices that deliver high-speed internet to businesses, enterprises, and underserved areas, essentially acting as the backbone for remote work, smart cities, and reliable enterprise networks without traditional wired infrastructure. What sets Inseego apart is its deep integration with major U.S. carriers, cloud-managed SaaS platform for device and network management, and a track record of innovation in secure, high-performance 5G hardware that emphasizes speed, reliability, and ease of deployment. Latest updates as of mid-March 2026 highlight continued momentum. Inseego has secured wins with all 3 major U.S. Tier 1 carriers, including AT&T selecting its FX4200 for enterprise FWA, expanded its product portfolio to the broadest ever, and strengthened partnerships in a growing ecosystem. The company retired all outstanding preferred stock at a significant discount in early 2026, dramatically improving its balance sheet flexibility and reducing dilution risks, while sequential revenue growth marks the 3rd straight quarter of progress amid rising demand for 5G FWA as carriers scale alternatives to fiber. Q4 FY25 results reported February 19, 2026, showed revenue of $48.4 million, with mobile solutions surging 27.4% to $20.4 million, reflecting strong enterprise adoption. Adjusted EBITDA hit $6.0 million. GAAP net income turned positive at $0.5 million, and gross margins held robust at 42.2% for the 4th consecutive quarter above 40%. Full year 2025 revenue reached $166.2 million with adjusted EBITDA $20.1 million. Guidance for FY 2026 targets approximately $190 million in revenue, signaling confidence in carrier ramps and new launches. Analyst ratings are generally positive with a consensus leaning toward hold to buy, including some strong buy calls. An average 12-month price targets around $15 to $17, from current levels near $11.70 to $11.96 as of mid-March 2026. Buying position. This is a compelling value momentum play. Debt cleanup, carrier dominance, and consistent beats make Inseego a strong buy for investors betting on 5G, enterprise expansion, and telecom rotation in a recovering market. Stock 2, SES AI SES. SES AI is at the forefront of next-generation battery technology, developing lithium metal batteries that promise dramatically higher energy density, faster charging times, improved safety, and longer range compared to traditional lithium-ion, targeting EVs, energy storage, drones, and AI-driven applications. Backed by strategic partnerships with automotive heavyweights like Honda and Hyundai, plus the recent UZ Energy acquisition, SES is transitioning from R&D to commercialization, positioning itself as a key enabler in the electrification megatrend and renewable energy storage boom. Recent news in early March 2026 includes a packed agenda of milestones, but post-earnings volatility. The company highlighted strategic expansions into energy storage, expected to contribute 65% of 2026 revenue, drone applications, and advanced materials, though conservative guidance tempered some enthusiasm after the report. Shares showed resilience with post-earnings gains in some sessions, reflecting investor belief in long-term potential despite near-term challenges. Q4 FY25 results reported March 4, 2026, delivered revenue of $4.6 million, up 124% YOY from $2.0 million, though missing some estimates, while full-year 2025 revenue exploded to $21.0 million, a 10x increase from $2.0 million in 2024, a clear sign of commercialization traction. GAAP net loss narrowed significantly to $73.0 million, 22 cents per share from prior year levels, with Q4 loss at around -4 cents to -5 cents per share, meeting or slightly beating EPS expectations. Liquidity remains strong at $200 million exiting 2025. FY 2026 guidance projects $30 to $35 million revenue across all units. Analyst consensus hovers at hold to buy, with price targets around $2 to $4. Current price near $1.12 to $1.71 post-volatility as of mid-March 2026. Buying position, high-risk, high-reward innovator. Massive revenue growth validates the tech shift. Current dips post-earnings provide an attractive entry for believers in the battery revolution and EV/energy transition tailwinds. Stock 3. Fanuc FANUY. Fanuc stands as the undisputed global leader in industrial robotics, CNC systems, and factory automation solutions, powering precision manufacturing, EV production, AI-integrated factories, and supply chain resilience for industries worldwide. Shares have held firm in broader market chop, supported by long-term secular trends in robotics and AI-driven factories. Financials for the 9 months ended December 2025 showed revenue up 6.5% to 623.3 billion Japanese yen and profit 116.9 billion Japanese yen, improved YOY. Full FY 2025, ended March 2025, was solid, with the next full report expected in April 2026. TTM metrics highlight robust revenue around $5.3 to $5.6 billion equivalent, with strong margins and consistent execution. Analyst views remain neutral to positive, with average 12-month targets around $21 to $22, current ADR price near $19.20 to $19.58 as of mid-March 2026. Buying position, a defensive yet high-quality growth stalwart. Automation megatrends and sector order recovery make Fanuc a reliable, long-term buy for cyclical upturns and enduring AI factory plays.